Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. This is a hybrid electric petrol vehicle. It has done just over 75,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our setup, media, which includes our Apple and Android CarPlay, radio, button settings, navigation, and map. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full cloth black interior.